Today we are at the Fairfax County Courthouse. We are down in the cafeteria and we are here for our Shop with the Sheriff program, where we take children that reside in emergency shelters shopping for clothing and items they need to start the school year off right. Our Shop with the Sheriff program has been going on for 32 years, and each year it gets better and better. And we are thrilled that we have not only so many people that have joined us today, but family members who have actually come out to participate in this event.
This is a chance for us to interact with the children in a positive manner and show us that we are not something to be afraid of, and we're somebody you can trust and come to when you need them.
We get great feedback from the community, especially when we go to Target. When we see people, they see us shopping with the children, and they'll ask what we're doing, and we explain to them what we're doing, and they will literally reach into their pocket and pull out money and give money to us.
My favorite part, everyone sees the smiles on the kids' faces, but as I'm walking around Target, the smiles on the deputies are just as big, being able to help these kids. So that's actually my favorite, just see how much enthusiasm the deputies have. They want to be here. They want to be doing this event just as much as the kids do.
We do this every year in August, and we have information on our website if anybody is interested in volunteering or, of course, donating to this event. This event is so important, especially when we have the opportunity to work with children, and children that, come from underserved populations that literally may have nothing. And to be able to spend the day with them, to take them shopping, to have a pizza party, it's something I certainly wish we could bottle. I mean, it leaves a footprint on my heart, and I know that my staff and the volunteers that are here helping us out, they feel the same way.